Alright, good morning everyone. On this video, I'll be giving you the step-by-step guide on how to sign up and become an affiliate of this company named virginstore.com using Facebook. So let's go ahead and dive in. On your Facebook, we need to tap the search option, okay, and then search for the website itself. So I'll go ahead and type in virginstore.com. Alright, and then tap in search. Alright, the very first thing that will appear in my search result will be their page, which is Virgin. So I'll go ahead and tap that. Now it will give me their Facebook page where I can see, some of their products and, information about them. So the next thing that we need to do is to tap the option that says shop now. All right, tapping the option shop now will give us their actual website, because on their actual website, we need to sign up as an affiliate so that we can start advertising their products. So once we're on their website, as you can see on my screen, we need to tap the menu option, which is the three dashes located on the upper left side of their website. So we just have to tap that. All right, then let's scroll down and look for the one that says affiliates and Instagram influencer. All right, once we have tapped that, it will give us a different page. Then on this page, what we need to do is to tap on the one that says sign up here. All right, so the next page that will appear is a page that says create account. So this page will give us the ability to sign up and become one of their affiliate or advertiser. So on this page, you have the option to sign up by manually typing in your name, your email address, and your password, or you have the option to sign in with your Google account or Facebook account. But on this video, I'll go ahead and manually type in or manually sign up on their account or on their website. So I'll put in here, let's say for example, the name is test. Now let's say I'll put in my email address here, test@gmail.com. All right, then I'll put in a password. So on this video, I'll just put in a simple password here. Then I'll go ahead and tap on create account. All right, so once I'm done creating an account, we need to take note of this page, the page where we at right now, because this is very important. This page will give us our referral link, and aside from the referral link, this page will actually give us the summary of our performance. So it will give us it will show us how many customers have clicked our link, the orders, conversions, sales, and our earnings. So just to let you know, becoming an affiliate of this particular website will give us the ability to earn unlimited. Um, yeah, the earning is unlimited as long as you're making sales. And each and every sale is actually 15%. So let's say, for example, one of your customer purchased, an item worth $100. So it means that you have 15% of that $100. So that's big. So let's continue. All right. So once we're on this page, the next thing that we need to do is to customize our referral link. So just to let you know, why is this referral link is important? All right, this is very important because this is the link that our customer need to click or to open, so that every time they buy using this particular link, we get commission. Okay, so for us to easily remember this link, we need to customize it. So we customize it let's go ahead and do that. So let's click on settings. All right, so once we click on settings, we need to scroll down and it says there referral code. On that box, we just have to tap it. And then let's put in whatever referral code, you know, that we want, that we think that's easy to remember. So on this, on this video, I'll put in here my name, which is test. Then I'll tap on save changes. All right, so once I'm done, customizing my referral link, the next thing that what I want to do is to click on marketing tools. All right, so under marketing tools, it says there, paste the product page link. All right, the next step that we need to do is to go back to their website and look for a product that we want to advertise. So let's say, for example, we think that a lot of people will buy a makeup kit, or let's say a teeth whitening product. We need to search for that product on their website and copy the link of the product that we want to advertise, and then paste it on this marketing tools tab. So in order for us to do that, we first need to save this page so that we can go back to it anytime we need it. So in order for to save this page, what you need to do is to tap the upper right side, the three buttons on the upper right side of the screen. We just have to tap that and tap the icon that looks like a ribbon. All right, now you can see that the ribbon icon has become blue, which means that I have it saved. Now the next step that we need to do, like what I mentioned, is to go back to their website, which is virginstore.com. So in order to go back to the website, you just have to tap in shop now, or just tap in the one that says http virginstore.com. But for this video, I'll tap in shop now. All right, so now I'm back to their website. The next thing that I need to do is to search for a product that I think a lot of customers will buy if I advertise it. All right, so let's say, for example, you think that a lot of customer will buy this portable bottle blender. This is actually a combination of like a water bottle and a blender on it. All right, so once we have selected that particular product, the next thing that we need to do is to get the link of this particular product. So in order to do that, we need to tap again the three small dots on the upper right side of their website. We need to tap that and then tap on copy link. All right, so once we have tapped on copy link, actually the screen will pop up that says link copied. It's a small icon. So the next step that we need to do is go back to our affiliate page so that we can post that link. So so in order for us to go back, is that we need to just tap the upper, the three buttons again, the three dots again on the upper right side of of your cell phone. Now to go back to the screen, what we need to do is to click on view saved items. All right, so you just have to tap the option that says view saved items. Once we have tapped that, the very first thing that will appear on our saved items, it says their link affiliate portal. So we just need to tap that and it will enable us to go back directly to the affiliate program page. So once we're back on that page, we need to tap again on marketing tools, and then under marketing tools, we need to tap the box that says paste product page link. So I tapped it, and then I'm gonna press and hold the box in order for the paste option to appear. So I held it, and then you know for a couple of seconds, and then now the paste option becomes available. So I just need to tap and paste again. So now your generated link. So in order to advertise this particular product, the next step that we need to do is to share it on Facebook. If we have Twitter, we can share it on Twitter as well, on Pinterest, or on WhatsApp. But on this video, we're going to advertise this particular product using Facebook. So I'll go ahead and select on Facebook. All right. So once I tapped on Facebook, it will automatically, allow me to post the product on my wall. But just to let you know, you have the ability to post this product on a group that you own, or in a group that you belong to. So let's say, for example, it says there create post. So I just need to tap the drop down. Then I just need to tap on in a group. So now it will allow me to search for a group that, where I want to get this posted. But for the sake of this video, we'll just post it on our wall. So now that we're, in front of the screen where it allows us to post this product in, on our wall, we have to like sell this product, put in, words that we think that will convince a lot of customers to buy this. So in this video, let's say for example, I'll put in here, this product is great, get one yours, blah blah blah, something like that. You can use whatever words you want to use, as long as uh, it will make you close a sale. So let's say for example, this is awesome. Let's say for example, I'll put in here awesome. Get one yours this Christmas. Get one yours this Christmas. Yours this Christmas. This Christmas. All right. Okay. Then the last step that I need to do is to tap on post. All right. That's it. So I'm done advertising one of their product. Now, if a customer want to buy that particular product, they just actually need to tap the picture of the product that I posted. Once they tapped it, you will be able to see whoever taps the product on your home page. So you just have to go back on the home page tab, and you will see there it will appear referrals. So let's say for example, a friend of yours clicked the icon, you know, the icon that you shared, or the picture that you shared, you will see those people here under referrals. Now, once you're done advertising that product or posting that product on your wall, if you are serious on making money, you can do this over and over for each and every product. So let's say for example, you want to advertise a makeup, you just have to repeat the same process. Go back to the website virginstore.com. All right, just tap in shop now. It will lead you back to their website, and then on their website, you can actually just scroll down and search for a product that you want to advertise. Or you can just tap in menu, the menu option, and then tap the plus sign for store categories. So under store categories, let's say for example, you want to promote beauty products, just select on beauty products. All right. So let's say for example that you want to advertise uh, this Derma Skin Scrubber. So you just tap it. All right. So once you tap it, just do the same thing. Tap the three dots on the upper right side of your cell phone. All right. Then tap on copy link and then tap it one more time. Tap on view saved items. All right. So once you tap on view saved items, you will see their affiliate portal under your saved items. Just tap that and it will give you back your affiliate portal. So go back to marketing tools, then press and hold the box again, paste the link. All right. And then tap on the Facebook icon again so that you can start sharing their product. All right. So, that's it. The more product you post, the higher the chance that a customer buys through your link. And if they do that, the higher the chance that you get commission. Now, here's the trick. In order for you to make more sales on the one that says write something here, so just to let you know, if you go back to their website, let's click back. Okay. All right. If you actually go back to their website, every time that you clicked on a product, you will actually see there a video showing a person using the actual product, which means that these products, the products that they have, are tested by a live person. So let's say, for example, let's test this Silly Covers non-slip shoe covers. I think this is a product that will protect a shoes from getting wet, during rainy season, or even if it's not a rainy season. This non-slip shoe covers. So let's scroll down and look at it. Okay, look at that. This product have 201 reviews, which means that a lot of people are buying this product because they think that this product is really, really effective. So let's scroll down. Okay, so on the product page itself, you will actually see there a live person, using this product, demonstrating how effective it is. So knowing that this product is effective, a lot of people are buying it, and you can see, video testimonials, how, effective this product is, like a video tutorial as well, how effective this product is. You can always say that on your post so that you can encourage more customers to buy it. Okay, so that's it. That's the way how you make money online using Facebook. All right, so if you have any questions, feel free to contact this company itself. Their email address is customercare@virginstore.com. So good luck and thank you.